What's up, guys? Rich from La Fundación K-9, the Foundation. I had the luxury of traveling back to the Canary Islands. During this trip, I visited Gran Canaria, Tenerife, and I actually visited one island I hadn't been to yet, which is La Palma. La Palma is an island that had a volcano erupt not too long ago. This trip was amazing. The only downside was I planned on attending a Spanish Monographica as well as seeing a lot of my friends in Tenerife. But unfortunately, due to weather, things got postponed. So Tenerife, all my friends there, I'll be back. I promise you. But again, such an amazing place. The people, the culture, and of course, the dogs. But you already know what time it is. Get you a Presa.